Divorce661 reviews, the best divorce service in Riverside. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're going through an amicable divorce in Riverside County, you've probably searched for a reliable service that can handle everything without the hassle or cost of hiring an attorney. That's where we come in, and based on hundreds of client reviews across California, many say we're the best choice for professional, affordable divorce help. Clients consistently tell us they chose Divorce661 because they were overwhelmed trying to do it themselves or frustrated with online services that gave them incomplete forms and no support. We've stepped in and turned rejected paperwork into approved judgments, fast. One Riverside couple came to us after their documents were rejected twice. They tried a DIY approach and then used a form website. Neither worked. Once they hired us, we corrected the issues, prepared their marital settlement agreement, and submitted their judgment. It was approved within weeks, and they were relieved to finally be done. At Divorce661, we specialize in court-approved, flat-fee divorce services for amicable couples. We know Riverside County's court system inside and out, and we handle the entire process, from filing to final judgment, so you don't have to worry about errors or delays. If you're looking for the most trusted divorce service in Riverside County, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll make the process smooth, affordable, and stress-free, just like we've done for thousands of clients across California.